Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to catch spikes live. Okay? I want you guys to be here and see when and how I catch them spikes. So you can see Boom 1000. Boom 1000 is in an uptrend, and I feel it will be going somewhere around this price. This is the daily. I think it should be going somewhere around this price to this level, like moving to this level before the next massive drop. That's what I believe. That's what I'm expecting. Why? Because if you do your proper market structure, you see that we have a lower low, a lower high, lower low. So after this lower low, market has not given us any lower high yet or lower low yet. Though this can be seen as failure swing, but I still see that market might still want to come to this point and do the final drop to buy again. So I still expect market to get to this level, around this level, before the next massive drop. Okay, so because of that, I still see market pushing up, and the previous day closed bullish, though it's a weak bullish candlestick. But let's see what happened on the lower time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we have massive rejections from down to up. All right, we have massive rejections from below and from above. This is what I'm talking about, from above here and from below here. And market is in a descending channel, and that can be seen as a bullish flag. Right, that can be seen as a bullish flag. So you can see the previous 1 hour candlestick just rejected and closed below inside the trend, inside this trend, this flag. But I expect a breakout pretty soon. So we'll be buying very soon because market has dropped into our zone. The green zone is my green zone here. All right, if you want to know more about the green zone, let me know. Market has dropped into a green zone, into even the tiny green zone on the chart. All right, so around this price, so I'll be expecting market to spike from that price. All right, something like this. Okay, so let's see on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can see obviously there was a breakout above the descending channel here. There's a breakout above it, so which shows that there's a breakout. Okay, market went above it, so there's a breakout. So we'll be expecting market to start buying inside this little zone. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be opening positions pretty soon, and my SL will be somewhere around this price. My SL will be somewhere around below this level. This is our demand. Okay, this green zone. My SL will be around that level where we target high up there. So I'm opening position now, opening some positions now with 0.2 lot size. So I've opened a lot of positions right there. Let's see what's gonna happen. And our SL, like I said, our SL is somewhere here below the green zone. The green zone with 0.4 dollars with the list. No, let me put it somewhere here below that structure. Okay, let me give it $5. $5 minus $5, and where will be our target? Our first target should be at least 2 times bigger. So our first target is $11 a position, while our SL, our entry to our SL, we are risking $5 to make 2 times of what we risked. Okay, so the second TP will be a bit far from that. This one here would be somewhere here, since we are targeting this black line above here. Since we are targeting this black line above this price above here, so we So I have to make my second TP to be far. But we don't just place TP, we hide TPs. So our TP will be somewhere here. That will be like 6 times of what we risk. 6 times. So 1:2, that is one, there will be one, that will be 1:6 risk to reward ratio. Okay. So very soon we'll be expecting our spike. Pretty soon the spike will be coming. So guys, this is how we've been catching spikes live. It's not a joke, like we're not joking, we're not lying, we are not faking anything. It's real stuff. You can see here in live, the spike will be coming pretty soon. I understand that there was a rejection, massive rejection back into that channel, but it will spike very, very soon. Okay, it will spike very, very soon. So we wait for the spike to happen. We wait for the spike to happen. While we are waiting, kindly smash the like button. If you're seeing my video, this channel for the first time and you've never subscribed, please kindly subscribe, because here you'll be learning so much about boom and crash and other assets on deriv, even the currency market. Okay, so smash the like button, subscribe, and check the description box to join the free Telegram channel. And for those that want to enroll for mentorship, enroll in mentorship, you can chat me up directly on WhatsApp or even Telegram for accounts management and for signals, VIP signals. You can join, though I still give free signals once in a while on the free channel. So make sure you join and make sure you pray and learn how to. You must not pay. If you see someone that knows how to trade very well and has a working strategy, a very active, proven strategy, that's cool. You can work with that person. But if you don't see anyone that is willing to do it for free, you have to pay and learn. I'm not saying come and pay me. You can pay any other person you trust their strategy. Why? Because if you don't pay and learn, it will take you a while before you be able to grow, be able to understand what is happening in the market, what the market is saying, what the market is doing. And what will happen to you is that you will lose so much money before you understand what is happening. But you know what? If you can watch my videos, all my videos that I've been posting here, from the one I'm posting now down, you might know how to trade. Yeah, you might know how to trade. Why I say you might know how to trade is because a strategy is never complete. Nobody on this YouTube will come and drop a full complete strategy like that. They will teach you what is support and resistance, what is demand and supply, what is liquidity, what is that. It's not, they are not bringing it together, and they will not share their top secrets. Do you understand? It's hard for them to share their top secrets. So what I'm trying to say is that it's hard for you to have a complete trading. Wow, you see that spike? I told you guys the spike will be coming pretty soon. That is it. It happens every time. Immediately market touched that line, there was a massive spike. Massive spike. So if you want to learn how to do this stuff on your own, just chat me up. Let's grow together. Let me see 10 minutes time frame. 10 minutes time frame. 10 minutes time frame. I need to open more positions on another account, on my other accounts. Okay, hold on guys. Okay, so I'm opening more positions on my other account. Open 1, 2, 3, and 4. Open 4 positions there with one lot size. How much will be my SL? Wow, that's massive. That's massive. That's my SL. $26 each. If we hit our first target will be $50. $52 our first target. So the 4 position will give us $200. That's the target. But if we lose, we'll be losing like $100. Let's hope it spikes, gives us more spikes. So, but if we target the second level that I'm targeting, somewhere here, we'll be making $125 each position. The market will give us that today. That will be awesome. That will be awesome, guys. That will be awesome, guys. So you can see how this thing is done. It's pretty simple. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. But you need to have a good strategy. You need to have a good strategy. Understand what you do, and you need to have believe in what you're doing, your strategy. Must believe your strategy. So I just set my SL and see what's gonna happen. So we have two targets. The first target is $50 each. The second is $120 each. So we'll be making 225 times 4, 200. So we'll be making, like, if we smash the second level, we'll be making over $500. Yeah, we'll be making like $500. So I will play this video again because I don't want it to be too long. I will play the video again for us to see what happened next. All right, welcome back, guys. You can see exactly what I told you guys, that the spike will be happening again. You can see we are in massive profits now, over $140. All right, so that is how we do it. I feel really bad because when the market dropped into this level, this price, I wanted to buy more. Around this price. Before you know it, I wanted to open 5 more positions. I didn't even open 5 more positions. We'll be seeing like $300 in profits already. But that's cool. That's fine. So we'll be smashing our TP1 pretty soon. So you see, guys, this is real. You can see this is a real account. This is a real account. All right. And in real account, you have that blue tag right there. You see where you can deposit and withdraw. So it's real. It's something that happens every day. We see it every day in the market. So we are blessed, guys. If you want to join, want to learn, a place you can learn how to catch long spikes like this on boom and crash, how to analyze any price, any market at all, be it synthetic indices, be it currency, crypto, any markets at all. I'm right here to teach you, to show you how to do this stuff yourself. So see how the spike happened from the line I placed there. I told you guys that it would be spiking right on this line. You can see that way the spike started happening on that line, then went up. We make our entry, market back to this line again, this trend line, and a massive spike. Whenever you see markets spike this strong, that shows that it's be going up more. There will be more spikes, series of spikes. You see, we have the market gave us another spike there. Okay, we smashed our TP1. You can see we smashed our TP1 with $58. So I closed 1 more positions because we opened about 4 positions. So we still have 2 positions running. Okay, let's see if we can smash the second TP or market if you add more profits to the previous amount. So it was about $100 and something. It has dropped to $89 right now. Let's hope for more spikes, guys. Let's hope for more spikes.
I came with a plan in my palm. Small stack, big calm. You smile when the numbers move, then you flinch when the market turns. I read your face in the dust. I know when the pressure climbs. One hand in, one hand out. I don't stay when the room gets loud. Trade and withdraw. Step back fast. Trade and withdraw. Make it last.